This undercarriage cleaner from RIDGE Washer offers a generous 16-inch cleaning width, so you can cover the underside of a vehicle in far fewer passes than with a narrow wand. It is engineered to handle demanding jobs with a wide working pressure range up to 4,000 pounds per square inch, making it suitable for serious home and light commercial use. The included straight and curved extension wands let you stay comfortably upright while reaching deep under cars, trucks, and sport utility vehicles instead of crawling on the ground. 4 fixed spray nozzles are arranged to deliver an even fan of water across the full bar, which helps strip away road grime, oil, and salt without leaving streaky mist areas. 2 smooth rolling casters support the spray bar and keep it at a consistent height, so the cleaner glides easily and maintains effective pressure against the underside of the vehicle. Installation is straightforward with standard quick connect fittings, allowing you to hook it up to most pressure washer guns in minutes and get right to washing.